This year we have 3 riders, Stéphane Rubini and Emile Weckman in MX2 class, and Benoît Paturel in MXGP. It's a little difficult for Benoît and Emile because they had a physical problem.
Yeah, last year was a really tough season for me. It was really not going good, like physically and with the team, and just so many things together were making the season really hard. But yeah, this year it's fantastic. You know, I'm feeling really good. We did a really good job this winter season.
This year we have new organization and new coach with Love My Training and Yves de Maria. It's really good for the team, and we have a new partner, Ship2Cycle. It's really important to have the cycle for the preparation, and really good for us to have a Ship2Cycle with the team.
It's a new team for me, of course, but you know, it's still Honda. It was a brand new Honda actually, but yeah, it's still the same family. So it was really nice. The team is working really good, and they are really trying to improve all the time to have the best setup possible for me and having the best result we can have.
Hello everybody, and welcome to round 7 of the FIM Motocross World Championship, the MXGP of Italy, here at the infamous Maggiora Park. The Ship2Cycle Honda SR Motoblouz rider going alongside him, and they are bar to bar. There's not much room for negotiations through there, but Rubini does go through at the end of the first lap into second place. Rubini impressive in second, the first time the Frenchman has finished in the top 3. For the final time today then, MX2, race 2. Rubini, he comes home in 6th, and that is going to be good enough for his first ever podium in MX2.
Maggiora, it's a special date then for me because yeah, I got my first podium ever in MX2. Well, it feels special, you know, with all the work we put in, all the hours and the sacrifices to finally get a reward. It's, yeah, it has no price, you know, and to see all the people that are behind you, happy, cheering on you, yeah, it feels just amazing.